Hey guys, iBredner here with another video. Today I'm unboxing the Mac Mini base model 2020. It comes with 256 gigs of SSD and 8 gigs of RAM. It supports the i3 quad-core processor running at a speed of 3.6 gigahertz. And yeah, it's a pretty good package, a pretty good value for what you get. I'm gonna be testing this product as I go with it. It only comes in one color, space gray, which is pretty cool. I really like that color. The package is pretty straightforward, classic Apple. You only get the manuals, the Apple logo, and that's basically it. And the other thing that you get is the cable, just the power cable. The power supply is already inside, which is pretty cool. So you get a very tiny package in it, very simple. One thing to know is that the difference between the 2020 model and the 2019 model and 2018 is that the new model comes base with 256 gigs instead of 128 gigabytes of storage. So that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Catch you later.